Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar F-Type key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated pry tool. These simple items are all you need to quickly and easily replace your key fob battery at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side. Press it and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small seam. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this seam. Twist or gently lever the tool to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Gently pry it out using your tool, being careful not to damage the contacts. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly and makes good contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once everything is back together, test your key fob with your Jaguar F-Type to ensure it's working perfectly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.